Hey everybody, I'm Sarah and you're watching Sarah Sweets. Hey everybody, so today I wanted to show you how to make probably the most common cupcake ever, the moist and delicious vanilla cupcake. Let's get started. We're going to start by mixing together canola oil, softened butter, sugar, and vanilla extract. And you're going to beat all of these ingredients just until combined. Now we are going to add in the eggs. And then we mix, just until combined. Now we're going to put this mixture off to the side and start with our dry ingredients. First, you are going to start by combining the flour, baking powder, and the salt. Then you are going to whisk until combined. Now we're going to start by combining our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. You're going to add just a little bit of the flour and gently fold it in. Now we're going to pour in just a little bit of our milk. For the best results, make sure your milk is at room temperature. Then you're going to add the flour again. Make sure that you put the flour in 4 times and the milk in 3.